The tactics involved in the chariot racing is actually quite technical. You have to get into the lead after the first bend because overtaking around the course is actually quite hard. So if you're in second place going into the corner, you're going to be struggling. Go. Hold on.
Don't want to lean into the corners too much, so don't want to tip the chariot over, so sort of lean to the opposite side and guide the guys in front to make sure that they go around the corners nice and evenly, and then prod them with my sword to make sure they go faster on the straights.
Beachy, champion.